Today, we're showing off the Crimpfix ECO from Weidmüller, a product that's built to save you time by completely automating the stripping and crimping process. Setup couldn't be easier, and once it's going, you'll be able to get dozens of crimps done each minute. First, adjust the wire gauge setting. The Crimpfix ECO supports wire sizes from 0.5 to 2.5 mm squared. Next, load your ferrule strip into the metal cartridge. This cartridge clips into the side of the machine, locking it into place. That's it, now you're ready to go. Guide the wire into the port where it will be stripped and crimped automatically. You can use the onboard display to see the machine status, or if there are any faults that have been detected. You might feel a slight pull on the wire, but if you just hold it still, you'll have a perfectly crimped ferrule as a result. It doesn't get easier than that, and that's what makes the Crimpfix ECO so great. If you'd like to give this product a try or find out more about how it could work for you, reach out to our team here at Pacific Automation.